When you think of the move or transition from 2D to 3D, you may feel you have to choose between the two, leaving the comfort of what you know and how you've been working for years for a new and unfamiliar system. The reality is, you can choose how fast or slow you want to transition. Moreover, since the user interfaces are similar, users can learn and transition at their own pace. The Product Design and Manufacturing collection allows you to leverage all of your existing AutoCAD data as you make the move to 3D with Inventor. Need your project to stay in 2D? Keep using AutoCAD the way you always have. Want to utilize some of your existing AutoCAD data to jumpstart your first 3D project in Inventor? AutoCAD and Inventor have an associative link that allows you to share data between the two of them. Reusing your AutoCAD data eliminates the need to start from scratch, allows you to control the pace of your transition, and ensures you will not have delays in your engineering process. Regardless of how you transition, most organizations still need a real DWG file for the final deliverable. Your existing AutoCAD data meets this requirement, but what about your new 3D Inventor data? Your Inventor models can be documented in a real DWG file format. It can be edited and updated in both Inventor and AutoCAD. When you choose the Product Design and Manufacturing collection, you don't have to choose 2D or 3D because you have both when you need them and